Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply a negative strobe effects to your videos on Capcut. So this is pretty new on Capcut, and what you need to do is just add your clips and go to effects and video effects. Then after that, just swipe the category until you find the dark category. Okay, this one. Then you'll find the negative strobe effect in here. Just click on the effects. So here is what the effects look like, and you can always adjust the effect. You can adjust the color, the speed, and also the filter. And after that, you can just go back and click on a check icon, and you can also adjust the length of the on how much the effect will be applied to your clips. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye.